How to order items on Amazon. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Amazon. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. In this page, different items will be available to you. You can also search for the specific items that you prefer. So let's say I want to buy this music book. Tap on it. Now scroll down and right here you can select the quantity of the order. I just want to buy one, so tap on 1. Once you are ready to purchase, tap on buy now right here. It will land you on this interface. Right here you need to fill up some of your information. First of all, you need to select your current location. Once you are done filling up all of the information, tap on use this address at the bottom. And then you will land on this page. You need to select your payment method. And then over here, enter all of the details of your card. And once you tap on add and continue, your order will be successfully placed. And within some time, your order will be delivered to you and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can buy items on Amazon. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.